Ladies and gentlemen. Hi Monkey, say hi Paul. Hi Paul. Today, sorry about this folks, I was running out of seed trays and I thought I'll have a look underneath my bench and never guess what I found. 2 of these. I cannot believe it. I forgot I've got these. I contacted Bustaseed last year. I saw their seed trays online. I contacted them and they sent me 2 to give them a go, give them a try. So let's look here. So, extra durable propagation kit, better for your plants, better for the environment, 5-year guarantee. The thing I like about these is, let's get this open first. Yeah, things I like about these is, let me slide them out, like so. These are modular. There's a 5-year guarantee, which I have never had a guarantee with any of my seed trays I get. Just get the lid up. So yeah, as you can see, modular. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 modules there. Sorry about there's a bit of dirt in there. Like I said, they've been under a bench for like 8 or 9, 12 months, something like that. Spin it round. Yeah, look at this. You feel the plastic and it's just so much thicker than what I use normally. I mean, I've got these, which is just so thin. Also, I use, let's get the camera here. Also, use these half trays, which are really thin and weedy. And these full trays as well, which are exactly the same. So yeah, let's just get back here first. The whole point in these is, when you're using them, you can sow each tray, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I can like 2 types of tomatoes, pansies, whatever. When they germinate and get big enough, all I have to do then is just lift them out, tap them on the side there, and all 5 fall out nice and neatly, no root damage. You can also check on them regularly. I shall just get underneath this now. I'll just show you the lid, which is great. This lid is nice and sturdy. It's got a good depth to it, so when it's on, as you can see between that you've probably got 12, 15 centimetres between the base of the seed tray, the modules. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be sowing some seeds in here. I've picked, let's have a look what I've picked. I'm going to be sowing some viola, some nemesia, some calendula and some nicotina. So that's 4 different lots, and we're going to give them a go, see how we get on. Hopefully, I think these are about 15.99, but with that 5-year warranty, they're definitely worth it. Well, I'm hoping they're going to be worth it. Hoping everything's going to work fine with it. To water them as well, really easy. You have just got access point there. So you just put your water in there, and then capillary action just soaks it up from the bottom. And so let's get this filled up with compost first. So yeah, like you normally do. Push it away, like so. I would say one thing with this though, just get your hand up against the end. You don't want compost going in that end one there. Wow. Nearly finished. And then we shall give it a little tap down. Sorry folks, let's give it a little tap down like so. Clean it off, and we can get sowing. But you can just feel it when you pick it up, you can just feel the quality, the weight there, which is really nice. So I'm going to get some name tags made, and we're going to get sowing these. Right, here we go, we've got some calendula seeds. You can see there. Put a couple in each one. Nearly done there, folks. Just 2 rows of those. Right, with those, just want to give them a little cover, like so. Light cover with a little bit of compost. Doesn't matter if it's not perfectly neat, it's not the end of the world. So that's those done. Next, let's get the name tag so I know what's what. Next, we're going to be sowing these Viola Comedy Mixed. These are comedy mixed, beautiful colours. So you can most often grown for a reliable early or late season colour. Sow indoors, February, March, September, October. All the instructions are there, folks, for you. Just get there. Just so if you want to freeze frame it and get back there. So, fine layer of compost. Just get in there, folks. By the way, Bustaseed does not pay me at all. I'm not getting anything off them. I've just been sent 2 lots. Right, these are the Viola seeds, don't you can see them there. Just getting a little bit. The good thing I'm hoping about these is, as they germinate and get bigger and you're going to put them on, with them being modular, you can take the rows out, each one at a time, without disturbing the rest. When you're in a normal tray for seed sowing, seed germination, when you start digging them out for potting on, you're going to disturb all the rest that are close to it. With this, you don't have that problem. If I can get the name tag now, lose my head if it wasn't screwed on. We'll get there. Oh, I've got it there, wrong one, Viola there. Try doing that. Yeah, you can take these out one at a time, pot them on, put them back, new name tag, new type of seed. So you can get a bigger turnover with these, that's my point. A bigger turnover without actually disturbing the rest that are in there. I shall be doing the second part of this review in a few weeks when everything starts growing. So then when we're going to take them out, pot them on, see how things are handling it. I don't think there's going to be any problems. They're looking pretty good to me already. Right, here's the next one. Nemesia Blue Gem. Sow indoors, March, April. Sow thinly in trays. Compost, cover lightly with a fine layer of compost, 14-28 days. Those are beautiful flowers there. So first of all, let's get the seeds open. Look at those, folks. Should look pretty good. These should be pretty fine seeds. Yeah, they are. Let's get them. Yeah, you see them there? Really fine. So just a few in each one. I'm sowing them a few weeks early, but it's not the end of the world. I've got heated benches and a heated greenhouse, so they should be fine. So yeah, easy as that. Let's put the seeds back in here, folks. Seal them up. Name tag, which is, just had it in my hand. Got it, folks. So that's that one. So just a little thin layer of compost, just over the top, and I shall just give it a quick water from the top, like so. Doesn't matter if you get a bit of compost over the edges, not the end of the world. What I'll do then is the lid will go on like so. Put those down a little bit more, my fault, folks. As you can see with the lid on, just put it up there so you can see a little bit better with the lid on. It looks really spot on, that, don't you think? So I can leave that lid on while they're going to germinate. As soon as they start germinating, the lid will come off like you're supposed to do. You don't want to cause any fungal infections, any rot or anything. But yeah, the quality of this, just lifting it up, you can feel the weight of it. Feels really good to lift it up, really good quality. And when you're going to store it as well, all you have to do is turn it upside down and the tray will go in there like so. So when you're not using it in the summer. So yeah, that's part one of my Bustaseed review. I'd like and thank you because he sent me 2 of them, so I'd like to thank him for that. So I shall post the next part when the seeds start germinating, and we'll see how we get on moving them and potting them on. So if you like the video, please subscribe, folks. If you want any advice or anything, please just leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Yeah, thank you very much to Bustaseed for sending me 2 of these. They haven't paid me for making this video, just sent me 2 just to review, so thank you very much for that. I'm sorry I left it for so long, forgot I'd got them. But yeah, in a few weeks we'll post another video, part 2, and then we'll see how we get on there. So yeah, right, welcome back, folks. Right, this is part 2 of my Bustaseed, well, the back end of the video that I made. This is after a few weeks with the lid on. Yeah, as you can see, really good germination rate. In fact, really good. Really pleased with it. Just get the light on there. I've got Caledonia, Viola and Nemesia, and I've only got a couple of blanks, and that's my own fault for not sowing any seeds in them. So yeah, as you can see, looking really well. What we're going to do now is just open this one up and let's have a look at the root system if we can. Oh, brilliant. So if you pull this out like so, just look at the root system there. Absolutely fantastic. Obviously no roots in there because nothing growing there, but look, all the way along you can see how damp your compost is, so you don't overwater it either, and it keeps a lot of air in. And as you can see there, just a little lip up there just to keep inside, so when I need to plant them out, they will come out brilliantly. I've got another one without anything in that they sent me 2 of these. Thank you very much, Buster, really appreciate it. And the other one I'm going to be using for cuttings. I'll make another video about that, because there it is. 35 in each one of these. Just count for a second here. So 35 cuttings will be absolutely brilliant. And like I said, with the lid on, really good, keeps the moisture in. And I'll be putting that on a heat mat, temperature controlled for my cuttings. So yeah, really pleased with it. Like I said, 5-year guarantee on it, really thick durable plastic. Like I said, just show you there how well they work. If you've got any questions to ask, folks, if you like the videos, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and thank you very much to Bustaseed for sending me these. Really do appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.